As a leading manufacturer of cable management systems, Eaton's B-Line business continually provides innovative solutions for the electrical market. Take, for example, B-Line's high-performance cover clamp for B-Line cable ladder. This clamp is designed for indoor and outdoor use and can be installed using multiple methods. To fully understand the versatility and flexibility of the cover clamp, let's break down the steps of various installation options. For installing covers on cable ladder straight sections, we recommend the following installation steps. First, determine the number of clamps needed. To do this, use the table shown for the recommended number of clamps based on your cover size. For example, if you have a 900 mm wide by 1.5 meter length cover, you'll need to use 4 cover clamps. Next, determine the location for installation of the cover clamps. To do this, locate the top slot adjacent to the edge of the splice plate. Next, place the clamp plate on the inside of the cable ladder into the determined slot. Then, slide the cover clamp onto the outside of the cable ladder, aligning the plate and clamp. Install the serrated flange nut and tighten. Repeat prior steps for each determined clamp location. Now, let's take a look at installing cover clamps on cable ladder fittings. Similar to straight sections, you will need to determine the number of clamps required based on your cover size and fitting type. For this example, a 900 mm wide 45-degree horizontal bend is used. Next, place the clamp plate on the outside of the cable ladder into the determined slot. Then, slide the cover clamp onto the inside of the cable ladder, aligning the plate and clamp. Install the serrated flange nut and tighten. For the final option, we will review a second installation method for installing the cover clamps onto ladder fittings. First, determine the number of clamps required based on your cover size and fitting type. For this example, a 900 mm wide 45-degree horizontal bend is used. For this installation option, you will mate the cover clamp and plate together, aligning the clamp slot and plate stud. Next, place both the cover clamp and plate into the fitting slot on the inside of the fitting. Install the serrated flange nut and tighten. Once all clamps are in place, install the cover to the cable ladder by aligning the slots in the cover with clamp studs. Lastly, fasten cover in place by installing the serrated flange nut over each clamp. Next, torque all nuts to 13 Newton meters. For additional information regarding Eaton's B-Line business cable ladder, covers, and accessories, visit www.cooperbeeline.com/CSS.